Maslow's hierarchy of needs is a psychological theory proposed by Abraham Maslow in 1943. It presents a hierarchical model of human needs, suggesting that people are motivated to fulfill certain needs in a specific order, starting with basic physiological needs and progressing towards higher-level needs associated with personal growth and fulfillment. The hierarchy is typically represented as a pyramid with 5 levels, each level representing a different category of needs. Physiological needs. At the base of the pyramid are the physiological needs, which include basic requirements for human survival such as air, water, food, shelter, sleep, and clothing. These needs must be satisfied before an individual can move on to fulfilling higher-level needs. Safety needs. Once physiological needs are met, individuals seek safety and security. This includes physical safety, protection from harm, financial security, health and well-being, stability, and a sense of order and predictability in life. Love and belongingness needs. After safety needs are addressed, people crave social connections, love, and a sense of belonging. This involves forming friendships, intimate relationships, and being part of social groups or communities. Esteem needs. The next level involves esteem needs, which are divided into 2 types. Esteem from others. This includes recognition, respect, appreciation, and admiration from others. Self-esteem. This refers to self-respect, self-confidence, a sense of achievement, competence, and independence. Self-actualization needs. At the top of the pyramid is self-actualization, representing the highest level of fulfillment and personal growth. This involves realizing one's full potential, pursuing creative activities, seeking knowledge, personal development, and achieving a sense of purpose and meaning in life. According to Maslow, individuals progress through these levels sequentially, with lower-level needs taking priority over higher-level needs. However, it's important to note that not everyone follows this exact progression, as individual experiences, cultural influences, and personal values can impact how needs are prioritized and fulfilled. Maslow's hierarchy of needs remains a foundational concept in psychology and is widely used in various fields such as education, business management, and counseling to understand human motivation and behavior. Maslow's hierarchy of needs has numerous practical applications across various domains, including psychology, education, business management, healthcare, and personal development. Here are some examples of how this theory is applied. Psychology and counseling. Therapists and counselors often use Maslow's hierarchy to understand their clients' motivations and to guide interventions. By assessing which needs are unmet, they can tailor treatment plans to address specific areas, such as focusing on safety and stability for clients experiencing trauma or working on self-esteem for individuals struggling with confidence issues. Education. Educators apply Maslow's theory in the classroom by recognizing that students' basic needs must be met before they can fully engage in learning. This includes ensuring students have access to nutritious food, a safe and supportive environment, and opportunities for social interaction. Teachers also foster a sense of belonging and self-esteem through positive reinforcement and supportive relationships with students. Business management. In the workplace, managers can use Maslow's hierarchy to understand employee motivation and design strategies to enhance job satisfaction and productivity. This may involve providing competitive salaries and benefits to meet physiological and safety needs, creating a positive work culture that fosters camaraderie and belongingness, and offering opportunities for career advancement and recognition to fulfill esteem and self-actualization needs. Healthcare. Healthcare professionals consider Maslow's hierarchy when addressing patient needs beyond medical treatment. They ensure patients have access to basic healthcare services, physiological needs, provide a safe and comforting environment during treatment, Safety needs offer emotional support and connection with loved ones. Love and belongingness needs and empower patients to participate in their care and make informed decisions. Esteem and self-actualization needs. Personal development. Individuals can apply Maslow's theory to their own lives for personal growth and well-being. By assessing their needs across the hierarchy, they can identify areas for improvement and set goals that align with fulfilling those needs. This might include focusing on self-care practices for physical health, building strong relationships for emotional fulfillment, pursuing learning and skill development for self-esteem, and exploring